Okay, I've got the front wheel on and torqued in accordance with the service manual specifications. There is a sequence on how that's done. The service manual specifies to torque this to specified torque value, followed by tightening these two pinch bolts here to the specified torque value, and then take the bike off the stands, and bounce up and down on the front there to make sure the axle gets seated. Once you've bounced the front end, then these pinch bolts on the left side get torqued last to the specified torque value. And of course, these are very critical details. Safety first. So this tire should last quite a while. I don't see changing it again anytime soon. Thanks for watching.